Numbers chapter 3 verse 40 to 43, parsing and translation. So the Hebrew word wayomer, from the root word amar, meaning to say. It's a conjunction verb called consecutive imperfect, third person, masculine singular, meaning, and the Lord said. Yahweh, it's a proper noun, masculine singular. El Mose, preposition, a proper noun, masculine singular, meaning to Moses, indicating the recipient of God's speech. Next is pakod, from the root word pakad, which means to count, meaning a point. A verb, it is a verb called imperative and second person masculine singular, meaning number. God commanding Moses. So next, kol bakor, noun masculine singular, genitival pronoun, noun masculine singular. So meaning all the firstborn. Zakar, it is a noun masculine singular, meaning male. That's it. So Livni is Yisrael. It's a preposition of or for la, and the body is nominative noun masculine plural construct, meaning sons of. Yisrael, proper noun, it's a masculine singular, meaning of the sons. The, the meaning is of the sons of Israel. Next is Mebin Hodis. The mean is for preposition from. The ben is nominative masculine singular, construct meaning son of or age of. The Hodis is noun masculine singular, which means month, meaning from the 1 month old. Wamala, conjunction. Awa is conjunction, and mala is adverb third person feminine singular, meaning and upward. Waza, wasa, from the root word nasa, to left, carry, take, is a conjunction verb called imperfect, imperative masculine singular, meaning and take or and lift up. Next is the et functions is a definite direct object. Next is mispar samutam. The mispar is nominative noun masculine singular, construct meaning number. Oh, sorry. Number masculine singular. So samutam is number masculine plural with suffix, third person masculine plural. So the number of their names. Number of their names. In the Lord, the meaning, the whole translation, the verse 40 is, then the Lord said to Moses, number all the firstborn males of the children of Israel from 1 month old and above, and take the number of their names. In verse 41, walakata, lakata, okay, laka is to take. The conjunction verb kal, conjunction is adelaka is the to take. So the person is conjunction verb call conjunctive perfect second person and masculine singular, meaning and you shall take. Et halawayim, definite object. So halawayim, article masculine, the object masculine, article halawayim, article proper noun masculine plural, so meaning the Levites. Halawayim, it's the Levites. Li, preposition la, to, or for. Suffix, first person common singular. Ani Yahweh, dependent pronoun first person singular, noun masculine singular, Yahweh. I am the Lord, ta, which means I am the Lord. Next is tahat, the prepositions instead of. Kol bakur, noun masculine singular, genitival pronoun. Bakor is the call is noun masculine genital pronoun, The bakor is noun masculine singular construct meaning firstborn, meaning all the firstborn. So Bivni Yisrael. Preposition. The B is preposition. The Bani is uh, noun masculine plural construct meaning sons of. And Yisrael pronoun is a proper noun masculine singular. Among the sons of Israel. Wa'et. Next is wa'et. Is the wa is the conjunction and the et is definite object masculine. So bahem halawayem. So bahimat is a noun feminine singular. Halawayem are article noun masculine plural, meaning the livestock of the Levites. Tahat instead of preposition instead of, which means instead of. Kol bakor bihamet bahani Yisrael is kal is noun masculine singular genitive pronoun. The bakor is noun masculine singular. The bahamet is preposition noun feminine singular livestock of. The Bani Israel is noun plural or noun masculine singular the sons of Israel. All the meaning all the firstborn among the livestock of the children of Israel. So the whole translation is, and you shall take the Levites for me, I am the Lord. Instead, all the firstborn among the children of Israel and the livestock of the Levites, instead of all the firstborn among the livestock of the children of Israel. And in verse 42, Wayef could, which from the word pakad to number, conjunction verb call to person, plural, muscular and singular, meaning and the number of so he counted. Mose, noun muscular singular, which in function subject of the verb. Ka'asar, from the word ka, it is a preposition and the asar is relative pronoun, meaning according to. Siwa, sawa, to command. The VPL, perfect third person, MS, meaning he commanded. Yahweh, noun masculine singular. Auto, word ought, which means sign, surrogate object, and third person, masculine singular, meaning him. Et, function, called bakor, noun masculine singular. The bakor is noun, adakal is noun masculine singular, bakor is noun masculine singular, meaning all the firstborn. Bani Israel, Bani is conduct, construct, noun masculine plural, construct meaning sons of, and the Israel is pronounced as proper noun of Israel. The sound meaning the sons of Israel, the children of Israel. So Moses numbered just as the Lord commanded him all the firstborn of the children of Israel. Verse 43, Wayeho, from the root word haya, to be, is conjunction verb call consecutive imperfect and person masculine singular, meaning and they were. Kol bakor, which means call is which means all, noun masculine singular. Bakor is noun masculine singular, meaning firstborn, meaning all the firstborn. So zakar, root is zakar, male, noun masculine singular, meaning male. Bimispar is preposition in or by. Then the mispar is the ba is preposition in or by, and the mispar is masculine singular meaning number, meaning according to the number. Root, simot, the same is, which means name, noun masculine plural, names meaning names. Mibin hodis, which is the men is preposition form, the ben is noun masculine singular construct meaning of age of. Hods, masculine neuter singular meaning month, meaning from the 1 month old. Wamala, the wa is conjunction end and the mala is adverb person, Feminine singular meaning above, and above meaning and above. Lik Lifkudehim. The le is preposition for according to, and the pakide noun masculine plural construct from. Kuda meaning those who are numbered. Mm. Third person masculine plural. It's the hem is third person masculine plural suffix, which means they, and the meaning according to their number. Mm. Okay. Sinayim wa of Sanayim wa Isrim Aleph. Sanayim is a number, masculine dual meaning two. Wa Wa Isrim is a conjunction number, common plural meaning and 20. The number, the Aleph is a number, masculine singular meaning thousand. Silosa, number, masculine singular meaning three. Waseb M, number, masculine plural meaning and 70. Umatayim is a conjunction number, dual feminine meaning and 200 meaning 22,273. And all the firstborn males by the number of names from the 1 month old and upward for the registration were 22,000. Okay, that's all.